back to my channel. Happy Monday. I hope your week is off to a good start, even though most of you are probably quarantined due to this coronavirus that's taking over everything, which is crazy. But anyways, I just wanted to hop on and share some exciting news with you guys. I am excited to share that I am now a partner with FabFitFun. And if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a seasonal subscription box, and it comes with over $200 worth of product for just $49.99. And you can customize your box, or you can let them send you like whatever they choose. So it's totally up to you. You can either pick your items or you can be surprised and let them choose for you. I have had 2 of the boxes so far. I think I've had the fall box and the winter box. So I haven't had spring or summer. But each box that I've had, I've gotten such good stuff. Like the one box I picked, I think the winter box I picked, and then the other box I just let them send me whatever. And I know my winter box had like a scarf in it. I got a coffee French press in it. I had a purse in it. So there's a lot of good stuff that these boxes come with. And I'm so excited to partner with them because seriously, you guys, for $200, sorry, not $400, $200 worth of amazing products for $49.99. You literally can't go wrong. So I found out the news today, and let me just tell you, if you have been watching my videos, you know obviously that I'm trying to kickstart a entrepreneur business. I love to share my life with you guys, whether it's health and fitness, or if it's just a day in the life video, or if it's answering questions from you guys, or if it's doing a video like this, like whatever you guys like to see, I am willing to share with you guys. It's super exciting that you guys want to follow along on my journey of health and fitness. But unfortunately, due to the coronavirus, I am taking some time off from the gym just until everything calms down. But that doesn't mean that I can't work out. I can still work out at home. But anyways, back to the FabFitFun box. So basically how it works is you go to their website, and I'll link it below, and it pops up with the screen or with the picture of the spring box because we're going into spring, or we are in spring. So now they're releasing the spring box, and it doesn't show a whole lot here, when you first go on the website. But so if I click on here, the first product you get to choose from is some packing cubes or a collagen infusion spray. So you get to pick one of those. So you just pick a product. We'll just pick, just for the sake of it, we'll just do some of the packing cubes, and then you can add that, and then it will let you continue, and then it's going to take you to the next one, and then you can pick your next product, and it's always going to give you a choice of 3, and then whichever one of the 3 that you feel you could best use, or if you know someone that is looking for that product that they've been wanting to try, you can purchase it, get it included in your box for, a gift, or, this box might even make a good gift if you know someone who might like this FabFitFun box. So there are so many different, items that you can pick from, but basically what you do is you're going to pick your first product, so one of the 3 that I just read, and then you're going to sign up for the first box, which is $49.99, and then you're going to get 8 to 10 products, all valued at $200 or more. So the total box of the products that you're getting for $49.99 values $200 or more. And then once you order the box, then you can finish picking, or after checkout, you can finish customizing the rest of your box, and they'll go through all the items that you want. But I remember the one FabFitFun box I purchased, I think like a year or so ago. It was my very first one that I purchased, and it came with this spray, and you sprayed it on your pillow before bedtime, and it helped you sleep. Like literally, you spray it on your pillow, and within minutes, like I was out. It was the best stuff I've ever had. Like I've never heard of it except for when it came in my FabFitFun box, and I heard about it just from, you know, people that I follow on Instagram that purchased the FabFitFun box. So, you know, they do have good products that you might not necessarily be able to buy in the store or, you know, wherever. So I just wanted to, you know, kind of share with you guys how good of a deal these products are. Now, they also have the option for the editor's box. I believe that does cost a little bit more, but you get like twice the product in it. So I guess it's kind of up to you. If it's your first FabFitFun box and you just kind of want to test it out and see what it's all about, then I would probably just go with the regular box. But if you've had it before, you love it, you want a few more products, then I would suggest to go with the editor's box, which comes with, like I said, way more product. So once you pick your first item, it's going to have you choose the plan, and it looks like it takes you to the seasonal plan for $49.99, like I said, and then it'll show you the first item that you picked right below that, just so you can verify if that's really the item that you want, or if you want to change it before you customize the rest of the box. So you can do that, and then if you have a promo code, you can go ahead and put it in before you hit pay, and then you can add all your card information, address, everything. Shipping is included, so you don't have to worry about paying shipping. And yeah, it comes within like a week or two, so it's not terrible, and I would just highly recommend it. I mean, my boyfriend loved the pillow spray. He used it more than I did. So I mean, it doesn't just have to be, you know, for women. There's stuff in these boxes that guys can use as well. So you know, while some of the boxes might be geared more towards women, do know that some of them do have products that men can use as well. It doesn't just have to be for women. So but I will go ahead. I do have a link if you guys want to purchase one of the boxes. I do have a link that would help me out. It's kind of like a referral link. So if you guys use that, then I will get the credit for referring you guys to use FabFitFun. So I do, this is not a paid video or anything, but I did just become a partner with them. So you guys will most likely be seeing some more videos, but if you do have any questions on how the box works, or if you need help getting started or what to choose from, go ahead and leave a comment below. But otherwise, I am very excited to start this journey with FabFitFun. Like I said, I've used their products. I love their products. And it's such a great deal, over $200 worth of product for just $49.99. And, you know, the more I sell or you know, help sell, you know, that helps me grow my business as not only an entrepreneur, but I'm also spreading the word of something that I love, and hopefully you guys will too. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up that video here. I have to get some dinner made and get ready for work again tomorrow, but I'm going to be hopefully doing a grocery haul here within the next couple days. It's crazy how fast everything is clearing off the shelves around here, but I do want to do a grocery haul for you guys, so hopefully that will be one of my next few videos coming up once I can actually get the groceries that I need to get from the grocery store. Right now it's just kind of picking up here and there with whatever stores have available. But if you guys have any other video options that you want me to do in the meantime of not being able to go to the gym and really having any health and fitness updates, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I also asked you guys to leave a comment of any question within reason that you guys wanted to know or wanted me to answer. So if you can go ahead and leave your question in the comment below. I still would like to do a fun video, you know, not necessarily a get to know me, but just kind of like any fun questions that you may have, like what's my favorite color, you know, what did I major in college, you know, how old am I, how many siblings do I have, anything like that, anything that you guys want to know within reason. I'm willing to share because you guys are going on this journey with me. You're supporting me, you're helping me, you know, kickstart my you know, business and being an entrepreneur and fulfilling my goals and dreams. And I'm very thankful for you guys. And I just want you to know that, you know, I love every single one of you who's along on this journey with me and who watches the videos. And I just wanted to do kind of a fun video. So if you have anything you want to know, go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and I will write them all down, pick a few, and I will do a video here coming up. But otherwise, if you guys do have any other video suggestions, go ahead and leave them below. I love hearing from you guys, or just drop a comment, say hi. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and leave that in the comments below as well. Otherwise, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button there for me, and share with all your friends and family. And I will hopefully see you guys in the next one. Bear with me as it is a little crazy with COVID-19 here, but I will do my best to try to get you guys some fresh content with whatever's happening in my life aside from health and fitness. So even though that's kind of on pause right now, do know that I still want to create videos for you guys, and I'm still thankful for each and every one of you. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful Monday, and be sure to stay safe, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye, guys.